Namaste, all of you. Brief explanation of Panchmabhut balance therapy, which is God's arrangement within the body itself and which can cure any disease under the sky, including world's 6,800 rare disease. That also without tablet and operation and at the fastest speed than any other therapy in the world. Our body is composed of 5 basic elements: Agni, Vayu, Akash, Prithvi and Jal. That is fire, air, space, earth and water. Fire, air, space, earth and water. Even God is made up of 5 basic elements. Whole universe is made up of these 5 elements. We call God as Bhagwan. Bha Bhumi, Ga Gagan, Va Vayu, A Agni and Na Neer. Whenever there is a imbalance of these 5 basic elements, a person falls sick or catches disease. If these 5 basic elements are balanced without tablet and operation, all disease stop progressing within few minutes and can be cured at the fastest speed. And by regular practice of this therapy, all diseases are cured permanently. How would one believe this? Solid proof can be given in case of diabetes patient, because diabetes can be measured even at home by glucometer. Doctor and medical science says that if a person with heavy diabetes patients regularly taking tablets or insulin does not take tablets or insulin injection, his or her sugar will increase drastically and one may even faint or even die. All our patients were asked not to take tablets or insulin injections at least 24 hours before the treatment, and they were even asked to take heavy breakfast or even eat sweets. If a person of old age had more than one disease, he was asked not to take tablets or insulin injections for all disease. Since there is no common solution for any of the disease in this therapy, the full health history of the patient was taken before the treatment and sugar was measured by the patient himself by his own glucometer, and the figure was noted. And after only part treatment without tablets, insulin operation, patient once again measured his or her sugar. Instead of sugar drastically increasing, dangerously increasing, sugar came down and even became normal in most of the cases. Highest record was with one New Zealand patient. In case of him, sugar came down from 399 to 115. That is, was reduced by 284 points, though he had not taken tablets since last 24 hours and had even done heavy breakfast. This is because all toxins from head to toe are removed in a single day, and excess air, that is we call vayu, is removed, and blood circulation from head to toe becomes very fast without any obstruction. No patient has even experienced even little headache. On the contrary, patient's photo was taken before the treatment, and after few hours again the photo was taken. Patient face became shining, and his face became red or pink, and his face was glowing, and because his or her hemoglobin was increased within few hours, and all toxins were removed. By Panchmabhut balance therapy, which is God's arrangement within the body and which is based on scientific reasons, as I explained you, even a person of old age becomes young by body, mind and sex, prevents hair fall, hemoglobin increases, memory increases, lungs, heart, liver, kidney becomes strong, cholesterol is lowered, and as due to removal of all toxins from the body, patient feels very fresh. The patient has to practice the therapy at his home for few days or months and follow all advices given on the day of the treatment. Doctors and even medicine manufacturers and even double graduate in pharmacy have taken advantage of this therapy and have benefited and asked others to take advantage of this therapy. They became disease free and tablet free by this unique therapy. There are more than 600 videos of the patients from 31 cities of Gujarat and 26 countries, including our own country, India. Patients and their family members, good nature, trust and positivity is most important. No one has to put blind trust. One has to put trust in himself, God, and in this therapy. After seeing maximum videos out of this 600 videos, after seeing these videos, only those patients should contact who feel that this is the fastest therapy in the world, and by spending even 1 rupee he will get 1,000 times the value of the money spent. And after seeing this video, if he feels that he will get new life, disease free, tablet free life, and enjoy every moment of life like a festival. God bless you. God bless you all. Only love can change the whole world and not tablets or medicine. I pray God for your good health.